So you might have a Replit project saved out onto your Replit account, like for example, this one right here. This is a simple program right here, which just takes two numbers and then adds them out. So let's say what I want to do is I want to embed the Replit project onto my Notion note right there. In that case, you can go around, click on the title of your Replit right here, and then let's say, for example, click on share. Once you do that, you get the public link for this particular Replit project. Then you can go around onto Notion right here, and then you can type in / and then type in Replit right here, just like this. Click on Replit embeds and then paste out the Replit link right here. Once you go ahead and do that and embed this Replit, you can see that it loads up the Replit right here, just like this. So you can see that you can resize this out and simply show the title right here. So now you can see that this is linked onto Replit. So if I were to go ahead and click it, then it opens up the Replit right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then utilize the Replit block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.